fellow students. We all know that 5th of September is celebrated in the memory of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a teacher par excellence and also a very successful president of India. Dear Gurus, it is a pleasure to be here today to celebrate this special and very important day of the year. Yes, important this day is because today we get an opportunity and immense pleasure to let you all know how important you all are. The main personalities of the day are very lovely, our very own teachers. Teaching is a very noble profession as it can shape not only the character but also the caliber and future of an individual. And that is why the students of B.Ed first year have made a little effort to try and make this extra special day a little more special in an extra special way.
নমস্কাৰ শিক্ষক অবিহনে শিক্ষা সম্পূৰ্ণ হ'ব পাৰেনে বাৰু? The teachers, thank you for working so hard in training us to become the perfect teachers. We won't allow the pandemic to become a hurdle to show the love and respect we have for all of you. All the student trainees of B.Ed first year have come together to prepare a small virtual Teachers' celebration. Hope you like it and enjoy it too. Let's the show begin.
Coming up first is a Guru Vandana by Papuri Bora.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Thank you, Ba. This was a good start. Karishma has prepared a beautiful song solely dedicated to our teachers who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us.
এন্ধার বাতর সাকি গসি যে জনে জ্বলাই দিয়ে তেও নমস্কার তেও নমস্কার রোদতি জনা বাতর ধুলি যে জনে সা দিয়ে তেও নমস্কার তেও নমস্কার ওই জ্ঞানতা গুসাই যে জনে জ্ঞানৰ পোহৰ দিয়ে যাৰ খোজৰ খোজ মিলালে জীৱন তীৰ্থ মিলে সিজন আমাৰ সঁচানায়ক তেওঁক নমস্কাৰ তেওঁক নমস্কাৰ তেওঁক নমস্কাৰ এন্ধাৰ বাতৰ চাকি গছি যিজনে জ্বলাই দিয়ে তেওঁক নমস্কাৰ তেওঁক নমস্কাৰ যিজন খনি কৰে সঁচা মানৱতা গঢ়ে যিজন খনি কৰে সঁচা মানৱতা গঢ়ে সিজন আমাৰ সঁচা শিল্পী তেওঁক নমস্কাৰ তেওঁক নমস্কাৰ তেওঁক নমস্কাৰ नमस्कार देव नमस्कार रोदोत जाना बातोर धुली जी जाने सा दिए देव नमस्कार देव नमस्कार देव नमस्कार.
Thank you, Karishma, for the meaningful song. Next up is Syed Hassan Ali and Banani Dev performing together to show how teachers motivate us to work harder to reach our goal without worrying about failures or falling down.
तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेरियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेरियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू। ये बेरियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू, बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? ये पाप योग को हक नहीं कि ले परीक्षा तेरी, कि ले परीक्षा तेरी। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है, जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है। तू आरती की लौ नहीं, तू क्रोध की मशाल है, तू क्रोध की मशाल है। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कब कपाएगा। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कब कपाएगा। अगर तेरी चुनर गिरी तो एक भूकंप आएगा, एक भूकंप आएगा। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है।
Thank you, Hassan and Banani, for this beautiful collaboration. Teachers are the sole pillars of the system of education, but this system of education is not completely flawless. Our amazing dancer Julie Das is going to present before you the real problem of this system: memorizing, mugging up, and cramming.
I think we'll stop here for today. Enough of this Ratta Maru thing. And now, since we are celebrating Once again, my teachers, and we are very much privileged to be a part of WGCE, and we all love the fraternity of WGCE who is empowering us with their immense knowledge.
Thank you, Julie. That was a good reality check. We need to keep that in mind as future teachers. Mathematics. The name itself can make a happy child cry. But is it that scary? And the obsession to score the best in exams and looking down upon the failures. The scoring the best or failing matters so much. Here is Banane Dev answering these questions through her performance in her bunny way.
या मैथ्स किस किस का फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है? मैथ्स में रूल्स नहीं, सिर्फ जादू। तो तैयार हो मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड मैथ्स से दोस्ती करने के लिए?
Thank you, Banani, for this amazing performance. The atmosphere has kind of tensed up because of all the seriousness. This is a celebration, and to hype everyone up, we have our girls Olympia Talukdar, Upashana Sarma, Razina Aptar, Marina Sultana Froza, and Priya Roy coming up with an amazing performance. Thank you, girls. That was lit. Children are looked after by their parents at home, but when they are back in school, the class becomes their home and the teachers their parents, who takes up the responsibility to navigate the children's way to a good life. We have Parishmita Datta presenting a dance performance portraying how teachers are our second parent. Thank you, Parishmita, for showing it so well through your performance. In this tough time, just like we are with our family, we need to stay with our nation too. Only then we can overcome the difficult times. Our talented singers, Sanghamitra and Vistina, have come together, more like collaborated, to give everyone a melodious time.
खुदाया मेरी लब पे आती
Thank you, girls, for waking up the patriot in us and making us realize the love that we have for our nation. Last but not the least, we have a video coming up as a token of gratitude for our teachers. I hope all our teachers will enjoy watching it.
Every time I look back on this road, you'll always be a part of who I am. Everything I've known, every seed of greatness you have sown through good and bad, your love has watched me grow. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, my heart you'll always stay. In this moment, let me say how I am grateful every day you're here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay in this moment, let me say you turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams awake with you. All that I can be means so much 'cause you believed in me. You showed me how to live with dignity. When the lessons end, I can share with you just like a friend. Your loving smiles and frowns keep me safe. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, my heart you'll always stay. In this moment, let me say how I am grateful every day you're here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay in this moment, let me say you turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams awake with you. In this moment, let me say how I am grateful every day you're here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay in this moment, let me say you turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams awake with you.
Thank you, Lucky, for assembling all those beautiful moments all together in a video.
গুরু বিহনে অন্ধ আকাশ, গুরুর প্রেরণাতে আমার প্রকাশ। গুরু অবিহনে অন্ধ আকাশ, গুরুর প্রেরণাতে আমার প্রকাশ। দিয়ে গুরুয়ে জ্যোতিরাভা, গুরু পুজি লুয়াহিয়া, গুরু পুজি লুয়াহিয়া, গুরু পুজি লুয়াহিয়া। আজি এই পূজার পরত পুজো আহা, গুরুর শরণ পুজো good